Welcome to beautiful Burnaby. I'm in Sullivan Heights neighborhood at the foot of Lougheed Town Center. Beautifully revamped area. We've got the Silhouette Tower here, all concrete building by reputable developer Ledingham. Here we have a south-facing 1-bedroom plus den unit. The den's spacious, doubles up great as a home office, and life is just at your doorstep. You have the SKYTRAIN, retail, daycare, all the amenities go on, not to mention what's inside the building, including a gym and amenity room. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners, and welcome to 9868 Cameron Street, Unit 301.
Playing together.